Ever wanted to create a Tableau dashboard that lets you compare your performance year-over-year and understand those crucial trends? Let's dive in. First, connect to your data. I'm using a sample Superstore dataset, but the steps are adaptable to any time series data. Then, create a new worksheet. We'll need to calculate our YTD and QTD values. Start by creating a calculated field for year-to-date. This involves checking if the date falls within the current year and then summing the sales or other relevant metric for that period. Then, make another calculated field the same way but for quarter-to-date instead of year-to-date. Now, let's build our view. Drag and drop your appropriate order date-like field, and from its drop-down menu, select year. Then, place your YTD and QTD calculated fields on your rows. To add visual clarity, drag order date into the color shelf so you can see each year. Then, create another filter on order date again and select year to easily filter specific years for comparison. To compare the current year versus other years, show the filter and select your desired years. Finally, to transform your worksheet into a dashboard, you just need to click onto the Dashboard tab and drag in any of your charts. There you have it, a dynamic dashboard to see the differences in performance and easily identify trends. Now you can effortlessly track those performance trends over time and make better data-driven decisions.